Hi, I'm Deepak, studying 7th semester from the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, NIE. In this tutorial, we will see the common internet issues related to the BeagleBone. Internet is one of the critical part in the SOUP network. So today we will going to see some common debugging in the internet. So let's move to the router. So this is the router. You can see here we have 4 LEDs here. The first LED ensures that the power is on, and the second LED is for the Wi-Fi connection. The fourth LED shows that there is internet connection established here. For this tutorial sake, we will just remove the internet cable connected to this router. And we can see that the LED blinking, the solid LED goes off. This is one of the major issues. The issues with the internet will be that the cable will be worn out, or there will be a loose connection in the cable. So we will ensure that the cable is connected properly. And there we go. We'll get the LED on. So and we will trace the cable. And we will see that the other LEDs are on at this D-Link switch. And now let's move on to the switch connected to the switch which powers all the 4 BeagleBone.
Yeah. So quick note, make sure that this switch is on. Also, because if this switch is not on, you will not have internet connection at the SOUP network. So having this switch on is important. Okay. Back to Deepak.
Now let's move on to the router where all the BeagleBones are connected. So this LEDs ensure that there is proper internet connection between all the 4 BeagleBone black we have at our place.
Yeah, for DC and for AC.
Yeah, and for both DC and AC. And now let's move on to our laptop to make sure that the SOUP network is connected. We'll turn on the Wi-Fi.
Check if it is connected.
We'll connect it to SOUP network.
It's not connected yet. Still connected.
Yeah, and this shows there's a proper internet connection established.
Okay.
Thank
So you
you.
want to introduce yourself?
I already introduced. So I'm Deepak from 7th semester from the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering at NIE.
Okay, thanks Deepak.